In this big tipping video tutorial, we're going to go through the emails section of the website when setting up your competition. This, I think, is just a great component of the platform by making something that's could be quite tricky, hopefully really easy for you to use and quick to get sorted out. Now to get started, as you can see, there are a number of emails here. Every email has default text in it, but you can change that using the what you see is what you get editor, along with specifying if you want the email to be sent. On the other emails, you'll see you can specify when you want them to be sent. Entering a subject, again, this will be pre-populated, but you can change anything. Utilizing the merge items, which are database-driven items, to make sure that each of the emails is customized for each of your entrants. So it uses their correct first name, email address, their competition username, score, rank, etc., etc. Now, using these merge fields is nice and easy. So you may actually not want to use their surname, so we'll just put that in there. So we'll say welcome to the competition name of business name. If you want to insert a merge field, I don't know exactly what you'd want to insert, but you just put your cursor where you'd like it to be, and then click the merge item in the orange box. And you'll see here, we now have current rank placed randomly in a sentence. But we'll get rid of that now, because we don't want that. This will be the organizer's name as entered during the creation of the competition, and the business name. So you'll find that pretty much everything you need is up there. Organizer contact name, business name. When you're done, you can save it. Here you'll see it previewing. If nothing is shown here initially, just click the preview button and it will. So this competition doesn't have an email banner. If it did, you would see it up above the competition name, so that every email that goes out to your entrants will be shown with your competition logo or company logo, company banner, competition logo or banner that you may have created just for the competition. And away you go. So this email is a action-based email. So when somebody joins the competition, they get this email. So I would suggest making sure that box does not get ticked. So I won't do it now because it might zap me or something. To look at the next one, a tips confirmation email. Again, this one happens when somebody puts their tips in. So you'll see in the body of the email, it has games selections. So that's where their tips will go in. You can't see it because we don't have any tips as we're looking through as the organizer, but tells them when the tips were made and what they selected. So this way, if someone sends through a query of, hey, I put my tips in, it says I got this, I should have gotten that, you can get them to send you this email and it'll show you the time and what their selections were, and it'll help you do a bit of research to see if they did get what they say they got or otherwise. As it's a computer system, it does the right thing, but yeah, you never know. The I here just gives you a bit of a jogger about everything, and we try to have those on every page to make it a bit easier for you to know what's going on. Now, so those first two were action-based, so when people join and people put their tips in, this next one is one that you can set to go. So the results email, I would always send this one. So this is how many days after the last game. So let's say the last game was on a Sunday night. This means you're telling it to go on Monday, the day after. This is the time it would be sent. And as you can see, you can click around, make it whatever time you like. You could make it PM if you wanted to by clicking the AM. I think it's best to send in the morning because people are waiting to know how they, went, what's happened. Again, subject is in there, merge fields, body. And here you can see last round score, their total competition score, and their current rank. Bit of a blurb, and away we go. And there's the preview. If you make any changes, click save, and that will close it down. So all of the emails work along one of those lines. One difference will be on the reminder emails. You can send them to all entrants or only entrants who haven't put tips in yet. So the first reminder, I would leave at all entrants. The second reminder, I would make so it only goes to people who haven't put their tips in yet. That way people just get 2 emails a week, which everyone sort of accepts as the norm and are pretty happy with. Again, the time, you can make it whatever time you like, and that will be set for the season. Preview, save. If you've forgotten to send it or you accidentally selected that, you can click send now, and away it goes. So that is the email section. Hopefully it's nice and easy. You can go through them all. You'll see they'll all have default text, but you can customize that as you like. Hope it's nice and quick and easy. Any questions, send us an email or give us a call.